How to choose which reads show on your Substack profile. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to control which reads post that you've read, is showing on your profile, if you want to control it on Substack, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we can head over to substack.com or the application and basically look out for our profile here and open it up. Once we are here, we can head over to our settings. So on our left hand side, we have more option. Click on it and select the settings option from here and access the settings of our Substack. Now here we can scroll down and there look out for different options and usually go to notifications or privacy section. This is it right here. Now here, if we want to control that, we can reduce activity sharing where possible, because that will limit what others see in feeds, but not fully our profile, because Substack currently does not give us a direct option to choose a curate which reads appear on our profile. So we have this option right here, privacy. We have show likes on profile. We can just go and turn off that option. Similarly, let's head over to the notification section as well. And there with the notifications, we can just go over and turn off notification regarding reads. So if we have engagement, it should be under engagement or connection, something like that. We can just go and turn off that option by unchecking it and unchecking that option. And that way we should be do it, because reads usually appear if we have liked posts or comments. So you can reduce those kind of activity as well in the future from your Substack and avoid liking posts publicly, avoid commenting if you want less visibility. And if read is visible because you liked it, you can go back to the post and unlike it, and that should remove that activity signal. And that is it. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.